The All Recipes member who submitted this pierogi recipe writes, "This recipe has been a family favorite passed on from generation to generation. We traditionally make these for Christmas, but they can be made for any special event. There's some work involved, but the outcome is rewarding." After the pierogis have boiled, they can be fried in some butter and onions or served with sour cream. First, peel and chop a medium onion. You'll need about a cup total. Next, we'll make a sauerkraut filling. Drain 1½ cups of sauerkraut and mince it. Then, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Add 1/3 cup of chopped onions and cook, stirring often, until the onions are translucent, about 5 minutes. Add the sauerkraut and cook, stirring occasionally, for 5 minutes more. Season to taste with salt and ground black pepper. And transfer the sauerkraut filling to a plate to cool. Now we'll make a potato filling. Melt 3 tablespoons of butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Add 1/2 cup of the chopped onions and cook, stirring often, until the onions are translucent, about 5 minutes. Remove the pan from the heat and stir in 2 cups of cold mashed potatoes until well blended. Season to taste with salt and ground white pepper. To make the dough, crack 3 eggs into a large bowl. Add an 8-ounce container of sour cream. Whisk these together until they're well blended. Now, sift together 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of baking powder. Add this into the sour cream mixture and stir until the dough is mixed well and comes together. Knead the dough on a floured surface until it's firm and smooth. Divide the dough in half. And roll out each half to a 1/8 inch thickness. Cut the dough into rounds using a 3-inch biscuit cutter. You'll get about 2 dozen from each piece of dough. Place a spoonful of the mashed potato filling into the center of half of the dough rounds. Moisten the edges with water. Then fold the dough over the filling. Press the edges together with a fork to seal. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment while you make the rest. Place a spoonful of the sauerkraut filling into the center of half of the dough rounds. Moisten the edges with water, and then fold the dough over the filling. And press the edges together with a fork to seal. Bring a large pot of lightly salted water to a boil. Add the pierogis to the boiling water and cook them for 3 minutes or so until the dough is cooked and the filling is heated through. Cook them in batches and remove them with a slotted spoon to a rack over paper towels. And let them cool slightly. You can fry them at this point in butter and onions if you like. Serve the boiled pierogis with sour cream. And serve the fried pierogis with melted butter and onions. One member suggests making a big batch of these pierogis and freezing them uncooked. You can boil them from the frozen state and they'll be perfect.